Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, May 11, 2026, and if you thought the markets were volatile last week, buckle up. We are standing at a historic crossroads where geopolitics, court rulings, and precious metals are colliding in a perfect storm. From the smelling of gunpowder in the Strait of Hormuz to the legal battles in Washington, D.C., the global order is shifting. Are we looking at a total dollar collapse? Or is this the ultimate buying opportunity? Let's dive into the data. First, let's talk about the powerhouse, the US economy. President Trump's America First 2.0 strategy just hit a major speed bump. The tariff reversal. On May 8th, the US Court of International Trade ruled that Trump's universal baseline tariffs, ranging from 10% to 20%, were unconstitutional. This is a massive blow to the administration's plan to tax foreign goods to fund domestic tax cuts. The retaliation. But don't expect Trump to back down. The White House is already preparing an appeal. Meanwhile, Secretary of State Rubio has issued a chilling ultimatum to Iran, demanding an immediate response to US peace terms or face unprecedented military consequences. Market impact. This uncertainty is keeping the dollar index, DXY, hovering above 106. Investors are terrified of a trade war 2.0 combined with a hot war in the Middle East. The situation in the Middle East has reached a breaking point. Over the weekend, reports surfaced of a Barbados-flagged oil tanker being seized in the Strait of Hormuz. The Hormuz log. Iran is signaling that it can close the world's most vital oil artery at any moment. This has sent Brent crude skyrocketing, which is pouring gasoline on the fire of global inflation. The shadow war. While there are whispers of a diplomatic back channel through Pakistan, the market isn't buying it. The fear index is red hot, driving investors into the only things that have intrinsic value. Now, let's look at the charts that everyone is screaming about. If you haven't checked your portfolio this morning, you're in for a shock. Gold XAU/USD. Gold is currently trading between $4,745 and $4,867. While we've seen a slight consolidation from the $5,500 highs of earlier this year, the floor is incredibly strong. Central banks are dumping treasuries and stacking gold at a record pace as de-dollarization goes from a theory to a reality. Silver XAG/USD. The real star. Silver is absolutely exploding, trading between $80.35 and $80.87. We've seen a massive 6% gain just in the last few days. Between the industrial demand for EV batteries and the scarcity of physical supply, silver is outperforming gold. Many analysts are now calling for $100 silver by the end of the summer. Across the Pacific, China is playing a defensive game. The export battle. The US court ruling against tariffs gave Beijing a temporary breather, but the tech embargoes remain. China is doubling down on BRICS plus trade, trying to bypass the SWIFT system entirely. The yuan. The USD/CNY is under heavy pressure at 7.35. China is trying to balance domestic real estate, collapses with the need to keep their exports competitive. It's a tightrope walk that could snap at any moment. In this environment, you have to be as sharp as a wolf on the hunt. If you're not paying attention, the market will turn you into a balbal, a frozen stone monument of the past. Hedge with metals. With the Iran-US tension, gold and silver aren't just investments. They are insurance policies. Watch the news, not just the charts. A single tweet from Trump or a skirmish in the Gulf will override any technical indicator. Liquidity is key. Keep some dry powder. Volatility is the new normal. What do you think? Is silver going to hit $100 before gold hits $5,500 again? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for daily updates, and stay vigilant. I'll see you in the next video. Let's get those gains.